Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the coracobrachialis. Okay. First, origin. From the tip of the coracoid process or scapula along with the short head of biceps brachii. Okay, this is the origin of the coracobrachialis. Coracobrachialis origin is tip of coracoid process of scapula. See this figure. This is the origin of the coracobrachialis. The point that you have to note here is from the tip of the coracoid process, two muscles arise. First one is coracobrachialis and other one is the short head of biceps brachii. Okay, this arises from the tip of coracoid process. Origin. Tip of coracoid process in common with the short head of biceps brachii. Okay, this is coracobrachialis muscle and this is short head of biceps brachii. Okay, next, insertion into the middle of medial border of the shaft of humerus. Into the middle of medial border of shaft of humerus. See here guys, this is the coracobrachialis. See this point, this is the middle of the humerus. Okay, and this is the medial border, this is lateral border, this is medial border, this one. Okay, and the point, this is the middle of medial border of humerus. This is the insertion of the coracobrachialis muscle. Insertion, middle of the medial border of humerus. Next, nerve supply by musculocutaneous nerve. This also same for the biceps brachii. This musculocutaneous nerve also supplies the biceps brachii. Next, actions. It is a weak flexor and adductor of arm. See here guys, a notice given. Morphology of the coracobrachialis. It presents the muscle of medial compartment of forelimb of quadrupeds, which is not well developed in human beings. In some animals, this muscle constitutes of 3 heads. In the human beings, upper 2 heads are fused and musculocutaneous nerve passes between the 2 fused heads. The lower thought head has disappeared in humans, but occasionally the lower head persists as the fibrous band. We call that ligament of sutures, which extends through threads. Okay, which extends between the supratrochlear, atroclear spur and medial epicondyle of humerus. The median nerve and brachial artery then pass deep to the ligament and may be compressed. That you have to remember, the word is ligament of through threads. This one, which is formed by the lower or third head of coracobrachialis, which extends between supratrochlear and medial epicondyle of humerus. See this figure. Okay, this is the through-threads ligament. Okay, that we learn now. This through-threads ligament is extends between the supratrochlear spur and medial epicondyle. Okay, clear guys? This is the through-threads ligament and the structures extends between the supratrochlear spur and medial epicondyle. Okay, and the structures may be comprised. Below this structure are brachial artery and median nerve. The median nerve and brachial artery then pass deep to the ligament of sutures and may be compressed. Okay, this is about the coracobrachialis. If you like my explanation, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe and don't miss the notifications. Thanks for watching.